Polar bears, the symbol of the wild Arctic. General introduction to polar bears. Polar bears, Ursus maritimus, are the largest bear species in the world and the largest land carnivores today. They primarily inhabit the Arctic Circle, including the Arctic Ocean and coastal regions of Canada, Greenland, Russia, the United States, Alaska, and Norway, Svalbard archipelago. Their thick two-layered fur, which is almost waterproof, along with a thick fat layer, helps them retain heat, making them perfectly adapted to the harsh Arctic environment. Biological characteristics and habitat. Adult polar bears can weigh between 300 to 800 kilograms and reach a length of 2 to 3 meters. Their fur is translucent, and their skin is black, helping them absorb heat from the sun. Their large paws, with thick fur pattern, enable easy movement on ice and efficient swimming. They are excellent swimmers, capable of covering tens of kilometers continuously. The primary diet of polar bears consists of seals, particularly ringed and bearded seals. They often hunt by ambushing near breeding holes in the ice. Despite spending more than 50% of their time hunting, they successfully catch only 1 to 2 seals per 10 attempts. Polar bears spend most of their lives on sea ice, coming ashore only when the ice completely melts. Threats and risk of extinction. Polar bears face a severe population decline due to climate change. Arctic sea ice has been decreasing by 14% per decade, shrinking their hunting grounds, with ice melting earlier in the spring and forming later in the fall. Polar bears endure longer fasting periods, leading to weaker physical conditions and lower reproduction rates. A 2008 study predicted that if ice loss continues, 2/3 of the polar bear population could disappear by 2050. Currently, the estimated number of polar bears ranges between 22,000 to 31,000 individuals. With a declining trend, conservation measures. Since 1973, the 5 countries with the largest polar bear populations have signed the Polar Bear Conservation Agreement. Organizations like the IUCN and international conservation groups are working to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, protect the last remaining ice areas, and minimize human-bear conflicts. Role of polar bears in ecosystems and culture. Polar bears play a crucial role in the food chain, helping regulate seal populations and marine life balance. In Inuit and Northern European cultures, polar bears are sacred symbols, appearing in legends and art. The image of polar bears has also become a global symbol of climate protection and wildlife conservation. What do you think about polar bears? They are a magnificent symbol of the Arctic, yet they are on the brink of extinction. Let's join hands to protect them by raising awareness, mitigating climate change, and supporting conservation organizations. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so we can spread the message of wildlife and nature conservation together.